Hey friends, undecided on what Christmas gift to get someone this year? Well, today I'm giving you 5 reasons BlendJet 2 makes a great Christmas gift. Want to know why? Just keep on watching. Reason 1, makes great smoothies. The BlendJet 2 makes awesome smoothies, and it is so simple to do. All you need is a base to put in, whether it's water, milk, orange juice, apple juice, whatever you choose, and have your fruits or veggies, protein, whatever you want to add to it, and voila, you have a simple and quick smoothie. That's all to it. Easy to do, and whoever you get this gift for will definitely love it. Oh, and another thing to mention, whomever you get this gift for, BlendJet 2 has so many different varieties of colors and designs to choose from. It's not just one color. There's so many you can choose from, so I'm sure they will love whatever you choose. Reason number 2, you can blend anywhere on the go. You can take this BlendJet anywhere you are going. Because it is a portable blender, it requires no outlet. You're able to put in whatever smoothie, protein shake, milkshake, whatever you want to make, wherever you want to make, and blend it right up. So simple and easy. Even if you want to go to the beach, even if you're in your car, even if you're headed to work, even if you are leaving the gym or at the gym, wherever you may be, this BlendJet is very convenient to have, and I'm sure whomever you get it for will love it as well. Blend it on the go. Don't tell me you can't take your smoothie on the go with you and blend it in the car. BlendJet 2. What other blender can do this? What other blender can do this? Cheers. The third reason why a BlendJet 2 would make a great Christmas gift is because it can make great shakes and milkshakes. Now, I used to love making milkshakes with my BlendJet 2. As you see here, delicious, creamy milkshakes that you can easily make and be on the go. You can make it for your whole family. Your kids can make them. It's very simple to do. All you have to do is add just a couple of ingredients, and voila, you have a wonderful, delicious milkshake or smoothie. And the fun thing about it, they can dress up their milkshake anywhere they like in the convenience of their own home. They don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on milkshakes or smoothies when you can do it right in the comfort of your home. The fourth reason that the BlendJet 2 is a great Christmas gift is because they are easy to clean. All you need after making your smoothie or whatever you're making is some water and soap and blend. That's all. Now, you can thoroughly clean this by taking everything apart. It is very simple and easy to do. You just remove the base. They can wash it out. They can take out the rubber, make sure nothing's up under there, and just assemble it back together. It's so simple and easy to do, and the cleanup is a breeze. And the last and final reason that the BlendJet 2 makes a great gift is that you can choose different size jars. Yes, BlendJet 2 now has extra large jar just for you know, having a little bit more than you want to make with the original size. If you're especially doing it for a family or gathering, anything like that, you have extra space. As you see here, I am comparing both of the two jars. You have the 16 ounce and now the new 32 ounce. So if they decide to order, you know, just an extra jar, they have the option to do that. Or if you would like to get that as well, that'll be perfect. Well, that's it, you guys. Happy shopping, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.